Finding your true north, understanding its meaning in English. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's used both literally and metaphorically, true north. Whether you're a compass-wielding explorer or someone seeking guidance in life, understanding this term can be very illuminating. So, let's set out on a journey to discover the essence of true north and how it's used in the English language. In the most literal sense, true north refers to the direction along the Earth's surface towards the geographic North Pole. This is a fixed point on the globe, no matter where you are. It's important to distinguish true north from magnetic north, which is what compasses point to. Magnetic north can vary slightly due to changes in the Earth's magnetic field, but true north remains constant, serving as a reliable guide for navigation. As a metaphor, true north represents an unwavering, personal compass that guides you to your most authentic and valued life direction. It stands for your core values, principles, and beliefs, those things that are not influenced by external pressures or temporary conditions. In personal development, finding your true north means knowing who you are and where you're headed, regardless of the challenges you might face. Let's put true north into action. When used in conversation or writing, it can depict clarity of direction or purpose. Here are a few examples. Despite the company's ups and downs, the CEO never lost sight of her true north. In times of moral crisis, his true north helped him make the right decisions. The novel's protagonist is a testament to the power of following one's true north. Understanding your true north is deeply personal, but there are ways to find it. 1. Reflect on what gives you a sense of purpose and fulfillment. 2. Identify the values that you find non-negotiable and grounding. 3. Consider the moments when you feel most authentic and true to yourself. By exploring these areas, you can start to articulate your own true north and make life choices that align with it. That's it for today's lesson on true north. We hope this explanation helps you navigate not only your language learning journey but also your personal quest for authenticity and purpose. Remember, your true north isn't just about direction. It's about discovering and staying true to your deepest beliefs and aspirations. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you with more English language insights in our next video. Stay true and keep learning.